Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. In today's video, I am going to show you that how you can use VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. VLOOKUP is a very powerful function that we use in Microsoft Excel for searching our data. And by the end of this video, you will able to use it with confidence and I will show you the complete guide about VLOOKUP. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is used to search out the value in the table so that you do not need to search it manually. We just simply apply the VLOOKUP formula and calculate the value. For example, if you have three columns, column number A has the student names, column B has the subject, and column C has the marks. So if I want to search out the marks of a student, I will simply apply the VLOOKUP formula and calculate the marks of the students. So let's get started. Here on my PC, and I will show you that how you can use a VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, you need a table of your data set, whatever data you have. I have three columns and three rows here. So I just want to show you that how does VLOOKUP works. So I will simply select a cell and I will simply type is equal to VLOOKUP. Then I will put the bracket sign and then you should select the cell which you want to search out. For example, I want to search out Sarah's marks. So I will select Sarah. Cell number is automatically given when you select. Then you should put a comma and then select the whole table. As you can see that I have selected the whole table, it will show the table number 1 and then I will put a comma. Then the marks are shown in the table number 3. As I want to know just about the marks, so you should be careful about that. If you want to find the subject, I should write column number 2. But if in this case I am just concerned about the marks, so I will click 3 and the marks are present in the column number 3, so that's why. Then put a comma and next you should select false if you want the exact match. Then put a bracket close and press enter. So you can see that as I was looking for the Sarah's marks in the table, and when I put the VLOOKUP formula here, it's shown that the Sarah's marks are 90. So in this way, you can search out your values in the very long data tables as well very easily by using the VLOOKUP formula. Some common mistakes that the users does, that they do not write the lookup formula well. They make some mistakes, they put some dollar signs or some other symbols that make the formula incorrect and it does not work. So you should be careful that you are using and typing the right formula or function so that VLOOKUP works for you. Make sure to also remember the cell number, the rows and column numbers as well, as they are important in making the formula to work out. So that's how you can use VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. Make your own workbook and apply this formula of VLOOKUP. Hope so you like this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Stay tuned for more videos like this and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.